Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of Cube Boss, and in the last video, as you guys know, we solved the 2 into 2 cube, and in today's video we are going to discuss 5 of the interesting patterns which you can do on the 2 into 2 cube, starting with the checkerboard pattern, the most famous pattern in the 2 into 2 cube. As you can see, the checkerboard pattern. So we'll be doing many kinds of 5 patterns, interesting patterns, in the part 1 of this video, and you need the cube solved. If you don't already have the cube solved, please watch the video on how to solve the 2 into 2 cube and click on the I button above. So let's start this video right now. So guys, the first pattern which we are going to discuss in this video is the checkerboard pattern, which I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So we are going to be doing the checkerboard pattern. So to do the checkerboard pattern, you have to do a set of algorithms or formulas which will be provided above in the video. So it goes like this. It's R2. I'm just turning it by 2 times. R2, and then F2, 1, 2, R2 again, R2, and U2, U2, and there we go. You get the checkerboard pattern. Yeah, but this side will be solved and these two will be solved, and I'm going to make one more video on how to solve this and this, like make checkerboard over here and here on the part 2 of the video, so make sure to watch that. And so this is basically the checkerboard pattern, and to reverse this you need to do the same formula again, which is R2, F2, R2, and U2. So there we go, the checkerboard pattern. We made the checkerboard pattern and we solved the checkerboard pattern. So it was an easy set of formulas. It was just R2 and F2, R2 and U2. So it was an easy set of formulas, but to solve the checkerboard here and here, you will be given a big set of formulas which I will be providing in the part 2 of the video. The next part will be uploaded soon, so please wait for that, and let's get on with the second pattern. So this is the next pattern which we are going to discuss. So it looks like this. As you guys can see, I don't know what you call this, but it looks like an interesting pattern. So this is the second pattern which we are going to discuss. So let's get on with it. So this pattern is easy to do. You just need to do a set of formulae which goes like F2, R2, U2, and F2, and you get the pattern like this. And to solve it back, you just need to do it 2 times. F2, R2, U2, F2. So to do it again, F2, R2, U2, and F2. And there, wait a minute, yeah. And there we go, you get the cube solved again. So that was an easy pattern to discuss. That was the easiest among all. You just needed to do it 2 times, but that pattern looks good. And so 2 patterns are done now. Now let's move on to the third pattern. So this is a third pattern and it looks like this. It will be like this, one of them here and the opposite color over here, opposite one over here, and opposite one over here. So it will be like that. So this is an interesting pattern and it consists only of 3 formulae. So let's get started. So to do this simple pattern, you just need 3 formulas, that is R2, and then B2, and then R2 again. So that's it. With just 3 simple formulas you get the pattern. And to solve the cube back, you just need to repeat the same algorithm again. So just repeat R2, B2, and R2. So there we go, you get the cube solved. So this was an easy pattern, and you have one more pattern which is coming up as the 5th one, and it contains only 2 formulas, so that will be the easiest one among all. So let's get to the 4th pattern. So the next pattern which we are going to discuss is called the snake pattern, which looks like this. Even this consists of only 3 simple formulas. So this is very easy, and it looks like this, as you guys can see, like that and like that. So it looks like this. So let's solve this right now. So the snake pattern, it goes like this. So choose any side like this, and then U dash, F2, and U. There we go, you get the snake pattern, and to solve it back it's very simple. As you guys know, you just need to repeat the same formula. So just repeat u dash f2 and u, and there we go, the cube is solved again. So this was the snake pattern, and it looks like this on a 2x2 cube. It looks very simple, and yeah, it looks good, the pattern looks good. So now let's get to the last pattern, which is very simple with just two formulas. So just wait and watch the formula. This is the simplest pattern of all which I wanted to discuss with you. It looks very simple. As you can see, it looks like this, and the formula is just very simple. It just consists of two of them, and it's very simple pattern. So it looks like this, the pattern looks like this. Now let's get on with the pattern. So to do this pattern, you just need two simple formulae, which is just R2 and D2, and there we go, we have the pattern. So it was very simple pattern. It was a very simple pattern with just R2 and D2 as the two simple formulae. So now if you have to pick this side, so let's just pick this side for instance and just perform the formula. So you'll get R2 and D2. So as soon as you do that, you won't get the solved cube, but you'll get the checkerboard pattern, which we discussed the first pattern in the video. And to solve this checkerboard pattern, we also discussed the formula. So it was just R2 F2 R2 U2, and there we go, we have the cube solved again. So that was a method which I used, and if you guys know any other method to solve that pattern, you can share it in the comments below. So that was it, the 5 interesting patterns. Now I'll be uploading the part 2, which is the whole cube as a checkerboard, and the interesting pattern in a 2x2 cube, the most famous pattern, which is cube in a cube. That's the most famous pattern. I'll be uploading on that too. So the pattern which I like the most is a checkerboard pattern, and what you guys like the most, please comment down below. So this was the pattern, the 5 interesting patterns. So that was it guys, the interesting pattern, the 5 interesting patterns of 2x2 cubes. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos of cubes, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye guys.